Here's an introduction to the kinds of molds we're making today. This will give you an idea of the process. First, you start with a model. Now, a model can be any number of things as long as it doesn't interact negatively with the silicone mold material or be a shape or form that we can't successfully cast. Now, once you have your model, you need to sprue it so that you can put it inside the mold frame. Now, this is just an overview, and we will go into detail when it comes time for you to do these steps. Once it is sprued, you will want to attach it to the mold frame. Now, this mold frame is a U-shaped mold frame for room temperature vulcanizing compounds. That's why we call them RTV molds. Once your piece is sprued and attached to the frame, you close the frame using rubber bands to hold the plexiglass plates on either side. There are different brands, and these are the two that you'll see in our videos. We will be using the one on the left for class. You have two parts that when you mix them together, you have a chemical reaction that makes them set up. If you don't mix them together, they stay in liquid form. Now we use weight to measure our material. You want to make sure that you zero out your scale with the bowl in place. Following the directions, you want to add part A, then the appropriate amount of part B to your bowl. Once you have both parts in your bowl, you're going to mix them. Once everything is well mixed, we will start vacuuming. First you do it in the bowl, then you pour it into your molds and vacuum it a second time. The purpose of vacuuming is to get the air out of the mold material so that you don't have any air bubbles trapped in your mold with your piece. Here you can see the before and after vacuuming. When the mold has cured, we then remove it from the frame. Now you have a completely encased model, and your mold is ready for cutting. Using a very sharp blade and something to help keep the mold open so you can access the uncut area, you strategically cut the mold to release the model. Once your mold is successfully cut, you can open it up and remove your original models. The end result of this process is a reusable silicone mold ready for wax injection.